So what's up everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we will be learning to turn on and off your temporary chat in ChatGPT app. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your ChatGPT app. Then in the right top corner you can see an option of chat. If you click on it, your chat temporary chat has been activated, and if you want to disable it, then you have to again click on chat option at the right top corner. Boom, your temporary chat has been disabled. So in these simple steps you can turn on and off your temporary chat in ChatGPT app. Hope this video will help you, and I will be again available in another video.